I'm Vali and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a very popular North Indian dish which is called Chole Masala. It's a curry made with chickpeas and a few other vegetables. Usually this dish requires a lot of prep beforehand, but today I'm going to make it super quick for you. So let's start by taking a look at the ingredients.
We'll need a bowl of boiled chickpeas. I'm using the canned version here, but you can also use the fresh ones. You just have to soak them overnight. We'll need 2 large tomatoes, some fresh coriander leaves, this is a must, 1 green chili, garlic and ginger, 1 red onion sliced, 2 large potatoes diced. And for the spices, we'll need some cumin seeds, chole masala about 1 teaspoon, coriander powder, cumin powder, red chili powder, turmeric and salt to taste. We'll start by blending all the ingredients required for the gravy. So here I'm taking tomatoes, ginger, garlic and green chili. Now we're going to blend this to a smooth paste. Make sure that there are no lumps and no pieces of ginger or garlic left behind. This is how the consistency should look. So let's begin by taking a pan on medium-high, and I'm adding about 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil to the pan. Next we add cumin seeds. I've taken about 1 teaspoon and saute until they start crackling. This can take about a minute. After which you can add your onions and stir them really well for about 2 to 3 minutes. At this point you can add the diced potatoes and give a quick stir. After which you'll add the main hero of the dish, the chickpeas. Just give it a good mix. It looks very dry right now, but let's start adding the spices now. I'm starting with the best first, that's turmeric, red chili, coriander, cumin and chole masala. Just dry roast them so that the spices release their aroma and a lot of flavor. At this point you can also add your tomato gravy to it and give it a good mix. This dish is really simple to make if you have everything prepared beforehand, especially the chickpeas. At this point you can also add some salt to taste and give it all a good mix. After 2 minutes of stirring well, you can add 1 glass of water so that everything cooks together. Note that you can also use boiled potatoes if you want the process even faster, but I'm using fresh ones here. So I'm going to close the lid and let it boil for about 10 to 12 minutes. And now your chole masala should be ready. Give it a good mix once again. Everything should be cooked at this point, and just garnish with some fresh coriander leaves, which releases amazing flavor. Done! Your chole masala is ready to serve. You can eat this with rice, roti, naan bread, or just as it is if you like. If you like this video, please subscribe and I'll see you guys in the next one.